now that helicopter is done to tape, all of it. Now that's ready for paint, white. So what you see green is gonna be all white. So the green is primer. So yes, but now that I clean everything, water on the ground, and it's ready to go to paint. All green, all white, sorry, all white. Yes, the parts are too, all the parts you need to white. So now that is ready to go to paint white. The door, all the parts, all white, all white. So we'll see the rest later. I will show you painting too in the same time.